Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today we are doing an update, yes. We're updating my Sahara p35 and all we're going to do to it today is put two extra fans in there that are going in the top. So they're going in up there, obviously on the inside, not on the outside. It has 3 RGB lighting in the front and it has 1 in the back. But I wanted to add another 2, and I was thinking about this when I've done the unboxing and that, and I've done the build, and I'll stick all the links in there for you to have a look at. And now I've decided to install 2 more, and I've got the fans, and I've done a unboxing of that, and I've got a little extra surprise in there as well, which was a bonus. So like I said, I'll stick all the links in the description, so if you want to watch the other videos you can. So with that, shall we get on with it? The first thing to do is to take this off. So basically we've got to stick the fans up there. There are little things there for you to put them on. So I'm going to take the magnetic shield off. Take this magnetic filter off. And I did buy the original Sahara fans because I wanted to keep it all original. And it'll just link up to the back straight away as well. So it comes with its screws, which is a bonus, and nicely packaged. I thought I like the extra padding they put in just to protect it. You can see that. So I'll move them out of the way. So if you've not done anything like this before, it's quite easy. It's quite easy to install a fan into most cases. The only thing you have to watch out for is the direction of the air going through. So with this, I'll quickly show you, it's got little arrows on it, which most fans have, but not all fans, surprisingly enough. So we want the air to go up, or I want the air to go up, so you've got to make sure the arrow is pointing up, and then all the other arrow does is show you the rotation of the fan basically, which is that way. So, but I want it to go up. So I'm not sure how that's going to work with the lighting. And the other thing is decide where you want the lead to go. So it probably going like that there, somewhere there. It will fit. So I've moved the camera around so you've got a better view. And the next step is, I've got the other fan out as well, by the way. So the next step is to decide where you want the fans. So we're making sure you have the leads to the back because that's where the leads are going to go, so they're nice and tidy out of the way. You can always move it if you change your mind and want to put it somewhere else. So I thought, well, I want one above the processor, which is about there. I mean, you could fit 3 fans in there, I think. Let's have a look. 1, 2, well, it'll be a bit tight, so we'll have 1 there spaced out. I'll take the little screws out, and all you need to do is hold it up there, decide exactly where you want it, and it's going to go there. So give me a little bit of space in case I need to play about with any cables at a later stage. Right, now what we'll do is we'll remove the back cover. Again, these are only finger tight, no need to over tighten these. It's only 2 screws, hold the back on. And basically we're going to plug these, the leads, we're going to run them through here, probably both through here, maybe one through there and the other one through there, and then plug it into this unit here. So I'm not sure about the configuration. Well, I think number 4 is the back one, so I'll have to move that to probably number 9. No, sorry, number 7. So you've got 5, 6, 7. So first of all, I'll run the cables through, make them look nice and tight. So we need to unplug one of these, which would be the number 4. You just squeeze it together and then pull it. That's quite easy to do. And it's going into number 7. That in there, let click, and all we've got to do now is decide how we want. So we've got So I'm assuming it's going from the bottom up. So it's 1, 2, 3. So that'd be number 4, 5, and that'd be number 6. Oh, got that wrong, didn't I? So it should be number 6. Dope. There you go. So all we've got to do now is make sure these are nice and tidy. So on this one, I'll undo this and poke that into there. There you go. I've also decided that I'm going to change this power supply. Nothing wrong with the power supply. Works fine. It's 850 watt. But I want a modular one. And I have got one upstairs, but I think, as far as I know, it's a bit unreliable. So I don't really want to use it. I want a reliable power supply. So I'll be looking out for one of them. But that'll be another video coming up at some stage. Can't say when. As soon as I get it, I will do the video. So anyway, so that's it. So hopefully, if I've done it all right, and I think I have, so I'm not even going to test it like this. I'm just going to put the covers back on, and then I'll test it. Right, shall we start her up and see what she looks like? Power's on. There she goes. Show you the front first. See that all right? Of course you can. It beeped at me. Right, so I've moved it around. Let's see if I've done it right. So in theory, it should go from the bottom up, across, and then to the back one. So we'll change the mode. Find the right mode, one where it scrolls up. Well, that looks good. There we go. Yes. I think that's worked out quite well. Obviously I ain't put the filter back on. The magnetic air filter. So it will obviously look better at night. Yeah, it goes on there like that. So you could have it around the other way, and you're obviously going to get a bit more light from the RGB if you have it the other way. But I wanted them to blow out, not in. So what do you think? Let me know. I think it looks pretty good, Seth. It goes from number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think you can just about see the 6. So if you wanted to turn them around, obviously it'll blow the air inside rather than out. It's quite easy, but obviously you've got the front ones, they're pulling the air in and they're getting the air from the side fence, not from the front, because obviously there's a great big plane of glass there. So it goes up there like that and then down there, and so the only one pushing out is this back one. And you can adjust the speed of the fans through this remote, which is quite good. Right, so if you have any comments, please post them below. And if you like this video, please give me the thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down. And please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.